Guess what? The trip to Mars typically takes anywhere from 6 to 9 months, depending on the precise positions of Earth and Mars relative to each other and the Sun's gravitational influence. That's a long road trip ahead, and astronauts need to pack various snacks for the long ride, literally and figuratively, with careful meal planning. The distance between Earth and Mars varies significantly from about 56 million to 401 million kilometers due to their elliptical orbits around the Sun slowly. To put that in perspective carefully, if you were driving your car steadily at 100 km/h, it'd take you around 57 years to reach Mars safely now. NASA's Perseverance rover, on the other hand, took about 6.5 months to cover that vast distance, cruising at around 21,000 km/h smoothly. The shortest recorded trip to Mars was by NASA's Mariner 4 spacecraft, which took approximately 228 days, or about 7.5 months, through the vast empty space. But here's the thing. Those spacecraft aren't taking the most direct route. They follow curved trajectories, navigating through complex gravitational fields very carefully always. The most energy-efficient path is called a Hohmann transfer orbit, which takes advantage of planetary alignments. A trip to Mars requires about 225 million kilometers of travel, give or take, due to the elliptical orbits of both planets involved astronomically. Astronauts on the Mars trip will face some serious challenges, like muscle loss and radiation exposure, along with isolation and extreme environmental conditions too slowly. To mitigate this, spacecraft might need to spin or have artificial gravity through careful rotation or advance centrifuges slowly, ensuring a stable environment. Some mission plans include growing food on board, like hydroponic lettuce or even lab-grown meat, requiring precise systems and careful resource management daily. The psychological aspect is just as crucial, with crews facing prolonged isolation for months on end, experiencing intense emotional struggles and sensory deprivation. One idea is to create immersive virtual reality environments or advanced entertainment systems to keep astronauts sane during prolonged space missions by reducing isolation. Did you know that Mars has the largest volcano in our entire solar system, Olympus Mons, which is roughly 3 times Mount Everest's impressive height now? The Martian surface is also home to the largest known canyon system, Valles Marineris, stretching over 4,000 kilometers long. One of the biggest challenges for Mars missions is the launch window, the specific time when Earth and Mars are aligned perfectly in their orbits. This alignment happens every 26 months, making it the optimal time to launch a space mission to Mars, thereby minimizing travel time significantly through a precise orbital window. The European Space Agency's Mars Express orbiter has been extensively studying Mars since 2003, providing valuable insights and significant scientific discoveries continuously. China's Tianwen-1 mission successfully landed a rover on Mars in 2021, marking a significant achievement with historic implications and groundbreaking discoveries unfolding. NASA is currently working on the Artemis program, which aims to return humans to the Moon and eventually send them to Mars. Private companies like SpaceX are also working diligently towards establishing a sustainable human presence on Mars in the very near future slowly. One of the critical factors for a manned Mars mission is the need for highly reliable life support systems, encompassing air, water, and food recycling. Recycling air, water, and waste will be crucial for sustaining life over the long, arduous journey and on the harsh Martian surface, requiring careful resource management. Some proposals include using Martian resources to produce fuel, oxygen, and water for the return journey, incorporating in-situ resource utilization techniques carefully. The gravity on Mars is only about 38% of Earth's, which could have significant long-term effects on the human body, causing various health issues slowly. Scientists are studying how to mitigate these effects, including rotating sections of spacecraft or using exercise routines. For a manned mission to Mars, the crew will need to be prepared for a new normal, a different day-night cycle, and more. The Martian day is about 24 hours and 37 minutes, which is remarkably close to Earth's rotation period, making adjustments quite manageable for most daily routines and schedules. So, are you ready to blast off to Mars and make it the next great human achievement? Share this with a friend who's up for the challenge.